Greetings, engineers. It's Brelin here from Grey Bee Gaming, and welcome to episode 13 in the Age of Engineering. So let's hope this is a lucky number for us. If we look over here, I have made two more extraction chambers down here. Ooh, with some circuits. A lot of large stones. You have to really get lucky to get that working. So ran out of stone. Really? Okay. Well, this thing is completely full. I'm gonna need to get on that. So let's just find some more cobble. So I moved everything around here to this new room in here. Moved all the power and everything. That was a lot of work. I made another battery here that goes up to the side. That connects to this one. Let me just go grab some cobble. And you know what? These things use a lot of power. It is a ludicrous amount of power right now. 2, 3. So we're gonna need to up our power generation, but it's not going to be this episode. This episode, I want to explain you guys exactly what I did to, first of all, fix these things. Wow, already, that was lucky. Okay. So, here's the problem here that was pointed out by caffeinated alien here in my comments. So these things here, these wire connectors, were only, it was showing 50k RF, but it wasn't 50k RF. It was 49.999k RF. And the extraction chamber does not start until you have 50k. So what I did, I created a little energy module here. You can see it's missing a little bit of energy. So all I did is just plop one in there, just so it starts and gets to 50k. And then I could just remove it and the machine was working. So really easy. I could have even used, I didn't need to use the energy module. I could have just used my simple calculators that I have here, because they hold energy and they can transfer that energy inside. So, and that's pretty much it. But right now, guys, I have a lot of damaged circuits. And I also have a lot of small stone. Let me just remove the small stone here, because I am going to store this right over here. Perfect. So we need a storage and a working system to do all this. First of all, we need analysis chambers, I believe. Analyzing chamber does not require power to operate. Or is it precision chamber? Or processing? Huh. Oh yeah, I need to clean the circuits first. So it's either precision or processing that I need to do. Wait. No, wait. It's either restoration or reassembly. One is for damaged and the other one is for dirty. So let me see here which one I need to make. Well, first of all, what we want to do is we want a wrench. Calculator has a wrench. You guys have seen here, these things actually have sides, but I can't output right now. I have to go manually and remove whatever circuit is in there, and this is a pain. So I need a way to extract the information from that. But for that, I need to make, I think, a wrench here called a PA wrench. So how you make this, you just use, let's see here, calculator mod. So all you need to do here is you create a reinforced sword and a reinforced pickaxe. So all you need for that really is just reinforced stone. We do have quite a bit here, so I'm going to need 6, I think. That should be it, right? And let me just grab a couple of sticks. Go with 4. And I probably just need sticks and a pick, I believe. Yes, it is a pick and a sword. So a pick and a sword. There we go. That was even cheaper. here. And now I need my, which calculator do I need? I keep forgetting about that. So it is just your standard, very old calculator. And then you can actually get that working. Pretty sweet. I have you right over here. Right click. Boom, boom. And we now have a PA wrench. Does this thing need power? It does not. So now you guys see these sides, they're green right now. If I right click, it is now red. So red means output, I believe. So do I have a chest? I do not, so let's make one. This, make a chest here. And I think if I, well, first you need to wrench it. I wrench it and I do this. I think it outputs directly because see, this is red and this is green. So this is green for input, red for output. So once this one finishes, we'll just give it a sec here. Nope. Okay, so it did not output to my chest. Huh. Yeah, that's too bad. Let me see here. Okay, so I think what we're actually going to do, we're going to skip the whole chest phase. And we're going to go right to the good stuff. Right click this here. Perfect. And by the way, guys, this power stuff is really slow. LV cables was a bad idea, especially for here, because this guy uses so much power. Let me just do this. So I've made a bunch here of this stuff, these unpowered stuff, and it just uses a ludicrous amount of power. And I should have put MV cables. That's my bad there. It would have been faster. But we're going to be changing this whole power setup so that it's a lot better. I like cables. I like immersive engineering. But we just need something a little bit faster right now. And that doesn't do this little problem that we have with this stuff here. First of all, though, we need to fix our circuit problem. So we will be making a reassembly chamber. Yeah, restoration is to clean, and reassembly should be to fix. Well, I hope so. We'll see. So I need an extraction chamber, power cube, just some weakened diamonds and some stone. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Do I have any weakened diamonds? I have exactly 4. Perfect. And what else did I need? It was reassembly, right? Yeah. And just a power cube. I believe I have one right in here. And extraction chamber. There we go. And now reassembly. 4 more weakened diamonds. So I need to get some more diamonds, I believe. I need to get some enriched gold too. So algorithm, scientific calculator. Just grab a reinforced ingot. Oh, I'm out of reinforced ingot. Should have thought about that. I'll have to make more. So let me just go downstairs and grab some diamonds. I did go mining, so I have quite a few more. I don't even have a stack left, but it's at least better than what I used to have. I believe this guy is still... No, he's not. Okay. Well, he's pretty much full right now. I'll have to see about emptying that out, but let's just grab some iron for the reinforced iron. Although I think I can use directly this iron ore that I've kept here that I probably should have kept a bit more of that. We'll see about that recipe. I'm pretty sure. Reinforced Yeah, 1 makes 4 and 2, or 1 makes 1. So you're quadrupling your output by doing that. So let me, wait, where is it? The assembly. Recipe. I needed, oh, it's a stone separator. Huh. Can I build a stone separator? Yeah, it's just, oh, of course. Ooh, almost derped again there. Okay, so let's put 2 in there. Should be more than enough for what we need, and this thing is pretty fast. Cool. So we needed 4, I believe, which is exactly what we have right here. Okay, so I need my scientific calculator. Scientist is crafting calculator. Where's the scientific calculator? There's an energy module. Did I seriously lose my scientific calculator? Because that would be pretty dumb. Or maybe oh, let's grab a circuit here. My inventory is just gonna fill up with circuits. And you get just such a big mix of different circuits. It is pretty crazy. Okay. So did I need a scientific calculator? I'm pretty sure. Yeah, it was the scientific calculator. Ugh. I do not feel like making one right now. But I don't have any choice. I seem to have misplaced my scientific calculator somewhere else, and I just cannot find it. Oh. Are you? No, you're just a regular old calculator that I had. Okay. I was hopeful there for a sec. So let's go downstairs and let's start crafting our good old scientific calculator again. Just gonna watch in here and see in my junk pile. I could have junked it, you never know. Or actually, huh. Yeah, it's probably here where I just dumped a bunch of stuff that I just thought I wouldn't need, but huh, I guess not. Okay. Scientific calculator, take 2. Let me just type it in here. That's going to be a lot faster. We are going to need these guys anyway for something else that we want to do, which is the calculator assembly. So I'm going to make a bunch of buttons, and I do have some steel mechanical components. So let's put this here. Grab these 15 buttons. Can I get some more? I should probably use some more because we're going to need that for another part of machinery that we're going to be making hopefully today. We'll see. Because already this is going pretty catastrophic here. Okay. So scientific calculator. I need enriched gold ingots. And I'm pretty sure I need glass and cobble. I do have cobble. Over here I have glass. Perfect. And let's go upstairs and get the enriched gold that we need. So I need 4 pieces of enriched gold, and also need some mechanical components. I do have, well, not a lot, but enough for what I need right now. And let's do that. Cool. So scientific. Let's start with you. You need redstone. Of course I don't have redstone on me. I need to keep a separate bag with just resources of every type inside of it so that I don't have to do this whole walking around stuff that I'm doing right now. But bags, I'm pretty sure I have all the resources to upgrade these bags now. It was a little bit difficult at first, but now it should be pretty good. So let's start with just one. I don't think I'm going to need more of these actual windows here. Yeah, let's go with 2. And what am I missing to make another one? Ooh, I'm actually missing cobble, which is really weird. 6, that's going to be 8. Yeah, 8's going to be good. So now all I need is just a couple of pieces of reinforced stone. And we will make 1 scientific calculator. So it was, well, of course it needs to be powered up. I won't leave it completely full, 500 RF should be more than enough for what we need to do right now. So, right clicking in the air, it was diamond divided by reinforced and gives me 4 weakened diamond. Great. You know what? Why don't you just keep powering up while I do other things? Go back here. Reassembly. So now I need enriched gold, which is just gold ingot and redstone. Do I have any? Oh wait, I have actual gold, which I believe is even better, right? Go. No? Oh, I thought I could put just gold. Or maybe it's the recipe for that. Oh, yes. Okay, so gold ore gives me 4 of these. But, okay. 1 gold ingot and 4 redstone. So I need a gold ingot. Thankfully, I went mining and I got quite a bit of gold. Pretty happy about that. So I just need a normal, standard, everyday calculator. Over here. So gold. Let's do all of it. Perfect. And now, I now have a reassembly chamber. Cool. So, reassembly chamber uses power. So, we're going to be putting it... how do I want to set this up here? That's a good question. I'm going to put it like this. And since I have... Oh, I'm going to be running out of space very soon. Since I don't really care about these guys, I'm going to do one automated system here. So let me show you guys. Oh, right. I have this big bag here that I can put all of this stuff in it. Beautiful. So here's my theory. I'm not sure if it's going to work. We'll see. So you take the extraction chamber. You put it on top. You take a wrench. You do output. And then you put a reassembly chamber smack dab under it. I think this is going to work. Because I think it's not going to export this. It's going to export only the circuits. Right? Huh. Let's see. This thing is running out of power, so let's just put a connector on it. And hook it up to... Where's my... What are you doing up there? Okay. Hook you up. So while this guy is working, it's magic. Let's work on our power situation here, because these cables are good, but they're not extremely fast. And I'm not sure if upgrading to MV and everything, or even HV, is a good idea at this point, just because it's taking a lot of resources to make these cables and all that kind of stuff. So, did it work? Huh. Okay, I don't know yet. So let's grab another one. Because of course my guy down below needs power. So we'll just grab one of each. And you cannot connect a connector to a connector. So you can see here, you can only attach one. So I need to attach it to this guy. So this guy right now is outputting only 256 RF per tick, I think. Or 32 RF per tick, I'm not sure. But he outputs it to every cable. So it takes a bit more time to get these things full. Pause, remove circuits. So let's just let it work here. And you see right now, it stopped. Oh, no, it keeps going. Oh, because it was not empty on power. It was just filling up. So cool. We'll just let it go. And we will work on lasers. So a energy laser relay transfers power wirelessly. So this is something that I want right now for this other room over here. It's not going to be, because I hate these blocks that I'm putting like this. I'm not sure what the laser is going to look like if I put it in there. I might put it like below. Yeah, that would be pretty sweet, I think. Huh. Not sure how that would work. Let's try it out. Let's try it out. So to make an energy fluid item relay. Ooh, item relay. That would be pretty interesting. Okay. I know I need to make a laser wrench. Pretty easy. 1 advanced coil. 2 an ORI relay. And boom, we have a wrench. Next, we need to make the energy laser relay, which is obsidian, blocks of redstone, redstonia crystals. So I need obsidian. Do I have enough obsidian? That's a good question. I have some here. 48. How much am I going to grab here? Go with 32, I guess. Not sure how many I'll actually need, but we'll see. So over here, I needed 2 of you. Well, of course, I'm going to want more. Oh, it makes 4. Okay. Well, that's a good start, I guess. Grab this. Make these blocks. And, oh, missing some advanced coils. And cool, we now have an energy laser relay. So here is how it works. Let's put this here. Oh, no. Okay, cool. My mistake. So I think you just plunk it here. And you... No. You like plunk it here. And then you just do from you to you. And that should pretty much be it. Let's craft something and see what it looks like here. Am I going to make an empowered one? Oh, here's something interesting that I learned a little bit too late. So, you guys know, if we look over here, it takes 1 piece of rose red, 1 ardite ingot, 1 red garnet, and 1 resonated redstone crystal to empower it, and 400 KRF. But if you want to empower a whole block, which is 9 of these redstonia crystals, you need 1 piece of rose red, 1 piece of ardite, 1 garnet, 1 resonating crystal. So there's no reason to do a single piece. It is a huge waste. You want to do the whole block all the time. So let me grab 1 here. I'm just doing them 1 at a time because I want to save my rose red and just get something that's going to give me more rose red per use. So I really don't want to waste too much of that here. I'm going to go downstairs and grab some ardite, which I believe is... Okay, why are you full? Why are you only half full? Oh, I have nuggets of manilinin. Oh, silly me. So I guess I need one more piece of ardite, I guess. Let's put this in here, and I'll get that fixed later. So I'll grab a bunch of ardite. I'll grab a bunch of garnets, and I'll grab a bunch of resonating crystal ore, I believe is called. Okay. So I need to put one of you here. One of you here. Oh, I picked it up again. And one of you here. There we go, it's working. So these guys are draining power right now because they're not hooked up. Cool, but this guy is draining power right now. Huh. Well, that's too bad. Okay, but he's draining power a lot slower than these guys because of course I can't supply enough power fast enough to handle like all of these things at once here. So I need to fill it up again. These guys are now at 0. This guy's at 800,000. So it is working perfectly. So I'll just do this. It's not elegant for now. And I think, do I need to hook it up to this one? I don't think I need to hook it up to this one. I think I can just do this, right? Yeah, but it doesn't look as cool. Relays are part of the same network. Oh, okay. Oh, you know what? I don't care. Part of the same network, we'll let it go. And we'll just grab 2 more pieces. And make some more. I looked at the advanced energy laser relay. And it requires empowered Inori crystal, which requires gas tiers. And I've been to the nether, but I did not kill a ghast. I need some range weaponry for that. So let's put it here. And I'm not sure if the range is going to work here. I know it's the same network. I just want to see if it goes all the way. Yes, it does. So the range is pretty decent on this stuff. Pretty nice. So now these guys are... There we go. And now these guys are getting filled back up again. And the power transfer is pretty good. This one's already 800,000. This one is going up pretty fast. I believe it's like 1,000 RF per tech for these guys, which is pretty sweet. Break it down again, and we're done. So I still have 3 of these guys, which we're going to be setting up here, but not right now. I just need the space for now. So how did it work? Oh, so the answer is it does not work. So there's no automation right now. But I want to see if it's if I have the right machine here. Do I have the right machine? Oh, it seems I do. Okay. So I guess it just does not automatically output below, which is pretty sad, really. I was really hoping I could directly output, you know, this red stuff down there, but it's okay. I'll figure out a way. There probably is a way, maybe with piping or something like that, that I can just output stuff. But I don't have any. Let's see here. Can I make the laser item? So I just need the fluid one. energy in an atomic reconstructor. Huh. Okay. I'm curious. I'm really curious. Let's try it. 2. Okay. So these are fluid laser relays. And item relays. So let's do... wait, one needs to be output. So let's do... Oh, no. Oh, God, that was dumb. Oh, I did a shift right click instead of a right click. That was my bad. That was my bad. Okay. Let's put you back up there. Let's put you in here. And I'm still going to go with LV because I just used up what I had left. There we go. Are you working now? Yes, you are. Okay. So it's just right click. So this is output. The other one's going to be input. So if I do from you to you, and I put a wrench from you to you. Oh, it's the wrong wrench. This one here. So from you to you. Hold a compass to modify the priority, I guess. So now, let's see if it works. Not sure what's going to happen to the dust, though. Is it going to also go and try and transfer the dust? That would be pretty bad. Small stone. Oh, right. Well, that circuit now is done, but it's not analyzed. So I need to analyze this circuit. Well, actually, I probably just need to store it at this point. I can make an analysis chamber, which is either going to give me an item or tell me that it's a buff or something like that. But for now, I probably just want to store them and use them later on, because these circuits, now that they're clean, have uses. So with a flawless calculator, wow. Okay, it makes controlled fuel. 80,000 burn time times 4. Wow, that is pretty good. In a fabrication chamber, atomic module. Oh, wow. You need a lot of these, and they need to be stable. So when you analyze them, so right now it's clean. Once I analyze them, well, they're not analyzed, but once I analyze, they're going to be stable. There's going to be a couple of statuses that are going to go inside of it. Actually, let's see if we can do it right now. Let me just check the stream video time here. We are pretty close to wrapping up, but since we haven't, I think this machine is still pretty easy to do. Advanced assembly, which is 4 calculator assemblies. We have 6 right now. Very sweet. Let's go back here. There was a reason I was making more. I made a bit too many, but that's okay. 4 enriched ingot. 1, 2, 3, 4. And what was the other thing? I have no memory. This is crazy. Analyzing chamber. Oh, reinforced iron ingot, which I believe I already have. So let's go make this thing here. Yes, and then 4 weakened diamonds and 4 reinforced iron blocks, which is just a bunch of iron. So let's grab all these, separate all of them. And while that is getting done, let's get our weakened diamonds, which I believe was just scientific calculator. Oh, please tell me I have, okay. I was like, please tell me I haven't lost it again, because that would have been bad. How many did I need? Ah, just 4. You know what? Let's just make a couple more here. And keep him here. Just for next time. Oh, this is the bad spot. This is not your spot. You go stand over there. 16. That should be enough for 1. I need 4, so I might just need to dump all of this in there. That's going to be 2. I think there's a use for small stone. Yeah, you can make CF powder with that, which is used for binder composite. Oh, Ender IO, really? Oh, conduit binders. Ender IO conduits. Now that is going to be a lot of fun. A lot of work, but a lot of fun. So we now have 27. And we have everything that we need now. Analyzing chamber. Yes, and it doesn't require power to operate. So my ideal world would be to put you like this, and then just grab a wrench and do like, yeah, once you're done with that, just dump it in there. Now that would be seriously my ideal scenario here. Just put a block just so I don't fall. It's probably will not happen, right? Right? Well, you still haven't made 1, so I don't have any idea if this output thing is going to work here. It says it doesn't require power to work, but it has an RF bar. I'm trying to remember here from Material Energy Natural Capital how it worked. Oh, right, because one of these circuits actually generates power. So sometimes it's actually going to be filling this power bar here that I can then use to, like a calculator, to fill up easily. I'm pretty sure that's how it worked. So we're going to let this guy run here, and we're going to see if the output actually works there, where we can have this like little system here, because that would be pretty sweet. This guy makes the circuit, outputs it to this guy who cleans the circuit, and then sends it to this guy for the analysis, which will go inside of these slots here, because this circuit can actually generate random items. It depends on the circuit that you actually have. I think I might just make a storage chamber. Storage chamber, let's look at it right away. Just so I can do that in between episodes if I need to. So I just need... Oh, I need an atomic calculator. So triggers age 8. So guess what, guys? We are not doing... Oh, dynamic or a flawless? Flawless calculator. Emerald. Okay. Ooh, large tanzanite. Okay. That's not going to get done right away. We're going to wait on that one. So I just want to see here. 9, and we still don't have 1 circuit. It happens sometimes. So we're going to let it run, guys. We're going to see if it works. What do you guys think? Do you think this system here is going to work with the red output? Do I need item relays? Do I need... Well, yeah, there's also extra utilities that we've been using downstairs, which are our transfer pipes that I could probably use to transfer like stone to this, because I can use a filter, and then something else to that one. That could actually work pretty well. Huh. Well, let me know what you guys think. If you think this system is going to work, or if I should use item relays or transfer pipes to get this to work. I'm really curious. So guys, it has been episode 13. We are going forward in technology here. We have lasers that just don't deal any damage, at least, but are going to make me able to transfer to empower this stuff just a lot faster. and just make more to get ready for the next episodes, because I think we're going to be using a lot of this stuff. I hope you like this episode. If you do, please press that like button. If you're new here, you just stumbled randomly on this video, subscribe for more content, and I'll see you guys next time.